Okay, so what stands this EV charger apart from others? It's definitely the speed. This thing is extremely fast. It was sent over from the brand to give you a closer look, and we just installed this charger in our garage, and it's been working really well for us, especially for charging our Tesla. Since this is a J1772 charger, don't forget to grab a Tesla adapter to connect it to a Tesla if you have Tesla. So the biggest thing I noticed right away is the charging speed. Like I said, this is a 48 amp level 2 EV charger, and it delivers up to 11.5 kilowatts of power. With the right vehicle and electrical setup, it can add up to around 46 miles of range per hour. And compared with a standard level 1 charger, that's a huge difference. We can plug the Tesla in when we get home and let it charge overnight and have it ready to go the next morning without having to think about it. This is a hardwired charger, so it does require professional installation. You'll need a dedicated 240 volt 60 amp circuit, and a licensed electrician should handle the installation. Another feature I really like is the way you can control the charger. It comes with 5 RFID cards, so you can simply tap a card to authorize charging. But once you download the app, you can change the settings so you don't have to swipe a card every time you charge. And the app gives you quite a bit of control. You can start or stop charging remotely, check the charger's status, and you can see real-time information like voltage, current, power, and energy usage. You can also adjust the charging current anywhere from 10 amps up to 48 amps in 1 amp increments. And you can set up a charging schedule, and app also keeps track of your charging history and energy usage. And the 25-foot cable is another nice feature that I like. It gives us plenty of reach in the garage, so we have more flexibility with where we park the car. And this charger is rated IP65 for weather resistance, so it can also be used outdoors. It's designed to handle rain, heat, cold. So after having this installed in our garage, the thing I appreciate most is simply the convenience. It charges quickly. I can control it from my phone, and I don't have to constantly think about whether the car is going to be ready when I need it. So if you're looking for a level 2 home charger for a Tesla or another EV, just remember that with a Tesla, you will need an adapter. And for us, having a fast home charger right in the garage has been a really nice upgrade. Definitely check it out.